Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Firebase. So, in order to do this, first of all, go to Firebase console and check your project. After you do that, you'll have to simply click on project overview and choose hosting. Now, when you choose hosting, you will see this section. Here, you'll have to click on connect domain link from this page. Now, step 4 is adding domain name in the connect custom domain pop-up. So a pop-up will appear where you'll have to basically enter your domain name that you've got from GoDaddy. After you do that, click on continue. Now, in the next step, that is verify ownership step, we need the Google site verification ID to add to the TXT record in the DNS provider. So enter that value, then you'll have to simply click on verify. Now go back to GoDaddy and log into your account and go to the domains page. So after logging into the GoDaddy account, and logging into your domain page, you'll have to click on three-dotted icon near to use my domain button and click manage DNS link. Now, on the manage DNS page, add the value of Google site verification ID as a TXT value in the list. Now, after adding this TXT value in the DNS list, go back to Firebase console and click the verify link from the custom domain pop-up. Now, in Firebase, on the Go Online step, you will get two IP addresses, which you need to add in the GoDaddy DNS table again as type A value. So go back to Firebase console again and connect. After performing all these steps, in some time, you can see that your website will be running with the custom domain you added in the Firebase. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.